Hello my lovelies, welcome to this week's video. This week I'm just going to do a really chilled vlog. I hope you guys don't mind. I'll do some more interesting videos in the next few that are coming up. But this week was my birthday, as many of you know, and I've just been doing a lot of reflecting and just relaxing, in all honesty, due to lessons taught to me via my cat, which I'll come back to in a minute. But I did fill out my birthday tradition journal, which is like a prompted journal that I fill out every year. And on my birthday I gave away 22 prizes to the birthday tradition journal group on journal workshops, which contains the prompted journal and like a mini video series as well, to my personal newsletter crew. And I was shocked at how popular the response was, especially seeing as I was telling people you have to DM me on journal workshops to win it, because you know it's a bit of effort to go somewhere specific and DM, but I got a huge response. So I'm going to give away 22 places in this video. So if you guys want that, you have to DM me on journal workshops. Please don't leave comments on here or Facebook or anywhere else all over the internet. It has to be on journal workshops, which is my online community, because that is where the group is hosted. So I need to be able to see your account on there in order to give you the prize, okay? So the first 22 that will message me on journal workshops will get the birthday tradition journal. But back to the cat. Now I know cats sleep a lot, but my girl is teaching me all the benefits of being chilled out. Like even now she's just lying next to me and calling me to do the same. And so I have probably felt my stress levels decrease quite a bit since I've been learning this from her. That learning to chill out is maybe the most important aim of every day, which we do not understand really in our culture, do we? So with me right now, and Jet Baby Cakes, as she is now known, let's take the biggest breath you've taken this entire week. Let's take a big breath in and a big long release out. Come on, do it with me. I swear you'll feel better. Let's go. Come on, let's let go of the cortisol. We don't need it. We don't need it. Let's relax. I also went to the studio this week to work a little bit more on that canvas, which is taking forever, but in alignment with that lesson of chilling out. It doesn't matter how long this canvas takes me, really, does it? I'm just enjoying the process when I get a chance to spend some time doing it. I've also been going to the studio to do a lot of tech stuff. Ugh. This is something that could almost rock my relaxation lessons for the week, because I have a live class coming up called Get Loose, which you can get now. I will put a link in the description and in the cards for 50% off for this next week. I think it's under £15 before the early bird price goes away. So it's been a lot of getting that stuff sorted. Ugh, yeah, it's not my favourite, but I found it quite funny after spending a whole day trying to get the techie stuff sorted that I just went live like immediately on Instagram, I think it was, just to show guys my studio at night time when everybody's gone home and all the lights are on, and how gorgeous it is when it's kind of quiet. I did have to laugh at the ease of that, but you know, I want everything to be right for the class. I want to have all of the great camera angles going off and all of that, so it's taking a little bit of prep, but we shall get there and we shall have a fabulous class come March. And that's really been it this week. As I say, I've just been taking every opportunity to not do anything, to just sit with the cat and chill. And I've been quite nostalgic as well this week. I don't know if that's anything to do with my birthday, but occasionally I get like that and get a little bit weepy, but also very grateful. And it's a whole mix of strange emotions when you look back at the past, isn't it? It's like, I want to be back there, but hell no, I don't want to be back there. And yeah, so yeah, that's in my mood this week. So I hope you all have a fabulous week, and I will snap into a bit more action this week and create some fab videos for you coming up. Much love, everybody. Oh, and don't forget, there is also going to be the monthly challenge on the 1st of March on journal workshops for you guys to go and check out. There's also always a giveaway happening in the monthly challenge group as well. And if you're not a member of that group, there's now nearly 8 years worth of archive challenges for you to go through. I don't know what it's going to be this month though, because I haven't started the monthly challenge because I've been lazy. And sometimes we just need that. So I hope I've been a reminder for you this week to just take the chill pill, release the tension, and just drop into that everything's all right state. Much love, everybody. I'll see you next week.